Have you ever felt lost in your 20s? Like you don't really know what you want to do with your life? Because that's exactly how I felt. For a long time, I was just trying to figure things out. Then one day, I made one of the biggest decisions of my life. I decided to take my master's degree abroad. But before leaving, I made sure to spend as much time as I could with my family and relatives. And looking back at these moments now, I don't really know what to feel. I'm excited for what's ahead, but at the same time, it's hard to leave the people who have always been home. Maybe this is what growing up feels like, being scared, uncertain, but choosing to move forward anyway.
So what? So mabigat.
US. US fast.
US food.
US time.
Si Lola, nakaka... Ayan. Ha?
I was a hater too.
So, pupunta tayo ng Asian market today. Okay, so meron na akong mga list ng bibilhin ko. So, let's go. We're gonna take the bus today. And... Ay, nakalimutan ba ako? Ha! Na-late tayo. Nauna na yung bus. Wait, tignan nyo kung may second bus pa. Shit, ay hindi. 2:03. Depart at 2:12. Sabi. They depart at 2:03, sabi niya. So, feeling ko ito na lang. Departs at 2. Ano? Departs at 2:12. Now 2:14. So, maghintay tayo. Okay. Pero wait. Punta ako sa may bus station. Doon ako maghantay. Okay. So, kakabalik ko lang. And, ito yung mga pamili ko. I got mago-mago. Okay, so, hindi ko alam kung ano yung taste nito, pero, and then I got ketchup. Okay. So, wala yung mga gusto ko doon, yung mga lista ko. So, ito lang. Mayroong chicken. So, yung Asiana market is like, parang Korean siya. Okay, I got the chicken. Oo, yung sa Asiana market, wala silang Filipino foods. Meron silang vegetables, ganyan. Ito, bawang, garlic. Pero wala silang yung seasonings like soy, vinegar. Wala silang ganun. So, kailangan ko yun. And then like, tapos dalawang sayote. Kasi bala ko mag-adobo. So, paano ko mag-adobo yan? Walang soy. Saka ayaw ko namang kumuha ng iba. And then I got avocado as well. And onions. So, bukas, pupunta akong holiday bukas. It's Monday. So, pupunta akong Manila Sari-Sari Store. Feeling ko, kasi nakita ko mayroong mga cracklings doon. Kagi, nagbus pa ako pumunta doon sa Asiana Market. Tapos wala palang pang Filipino foods doon. Ang layo-layo pa ng nilakad ko. So, ayan mo na. So, pero nag-Uber ako pabalik. So, ayan. Akala ko kasi mayroon. So, ayan, wala. Pagod ako. Tapos naubos yung oras ko kakahanap kung saang station ako magsasakay ng bus. Ganyan, nalito ako. Pero ngayon, alam ko na. Parang, alam ko na yung technique. And, paubos na din yung rice ko. So, balak ko sanang magtinola. Pero, okay, may mantika ako. Walang Knorr cubes. Kailangan ko ng Knorr cubes. Soy, vinegar. And, laurel. Para sa adobo. Plinano ko pa naman kung ano yung mga bibilin ko. Pero, wala. Ito lang yung mga nabili ko. Napagod ako. Parang half day ko na ata Tapos may ayusin pa ako. It's a mess, but yeah. I'm gonna keep it and put them on the right place. Nakakapagod ha. Okay, puno na naman yung basurahan namin. Okay, cause recycle pa kasi to eh. So, okay, yan muna ngayon.